Well, this is what I do when my stock is shaped like that. I th these here, this one here that I just made, it was pretty square when it still had some goofiness, but I square them up to where they don't look so bad. I just kind of, I guess you'd call that hand hewn. This one here, I just made this one. This one was a little better, but you can see where I had to hew it there a little bit. But I got a little piece here that's kind of square, and I picked the best face. I think it's either this face or this face, and I think it's going to be this face that I'm going to use. But I just put that on there, and then I just scribe a line like so. And there's going to be some stock that is missing in the back, but it'll be all right. And then sometimes I'll put this on the line and hit it. I'm not going to hit it because it'll shake the camera. But I think for what on this one, I'll probably hew it this way down to the line. But that's kind of how and then this is going to be my cross piece, and you can see it's out of whack as well. So I'll pick, actually this one might be a little too far gone. I don't know. I won't know until I know. But that's kind of how I do it. So as you can see, I bet I've got over 100 crosses here. I'm getting caught up. I should have plenty this summer. But this is what I made today or this afternoon. I just usually work out here a couple hours. Alrighty, you take care. God bless.